Inside this high-tech fortress of flavor, precision engineering meets a century-old secret.
Precision mixing is the heartbeat of the process. Water, oil, and Dutch processed cocoa are forged in.
The iconic white creme, a recipe guarded for over a century, is deposited with micron-level accuracy. Every speed and gentleness go hand in hand. Thousands of cookies are organized into perfect portions, ready to be sealed for freshness.
Variety is engineered into the system. From the classic crunch to the indulgent double stuff, every variation follows the same blueprint of perfection.
Science and data are the secret ingredients. In this digital command center, every gram of cocoa and every The soul of the Oreo lies in its secret essence. In this high-tech lab, flavor is treated with the hygiene is not an option, it is an obsession. Automated cleaning systems ensure that every cookie is born in a pristine environment.
A precision nozzle injects a burst of food-grade nitrogen. This displaces oxygen, preventing the vegetable oils in the cookie.
An Oreo doesn't just taste right, it has to sound right. We measure the crunch to a fraction of a decibel.
Oreo formula. Access granted.
Beyond the taste and the crunch lies an uncompromising commitment to safety. In our labs, every batch is verified to the highest global standards.
From a single grain of cocoa to a global icon, this is the engineering of joy. This is Oreo.